On this channel, we give you updates that concern Chelsea and Chelsea
Hello
alone.
guys, welcome to today's edition of Sports Paparazzi on Chelsea supporters. It's your one and only sports analyst and journalist Oyetunde Amoboyin. Today we'll be talking about um, the game against Wolverhampton Wanderers tomorrow, in which our manager Mauricio Pochettino has already hinted us and give us some great news about Romeo Lavia and also Noni Madueke and some other players. Before we go in details into the full news, I want us to please share this video, like and comment on it. Firstly, we'll be talking about the game against Wolves and the game against Wolf tomorrow. After that, we'll move to other injury updates, and also I will just into a bit about the game against Newcastle in the Carabao Cup. Mauricio Pochettino on Friday, that is yesterday, told us that Enzo Fernandez about his injury. If you can recall, Enzo Fernandez had an injury, but according to Pochettino, the injury is not that much. It's just a groin injury. That is, he has a stolen stomach. That is, his stomach is paining. Okay. The next player we are going to talk about is Romeo Lavia. Romeo Lavia has also been included in the Chelsea full 2020 squad. So he's on the grass training with the rest of the team. So hopefully, anytime from now, he will get into the team full XI. That is, we may also see him against Wolverhampton Wanderers, but not as a starting 11. Probably he may come on from the bench, or according to what Pochettino also said, he said you need to give him some time in order to recover. If you can still remember, 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, when Christopher Nkunku get himself on the grass, started training with the squad. Mauricio Pochettino had to tell the media that he still has in it. That is, although he is in full condition, that is, his health is in good form, but they need to give him some time. They not to rush him. We can give you an example of Reece James. Reece James just got back from injury maybe 1 or 2 months ago, but because he is eager to play and also the coach is eager to use him, they don't give him time. As a result of that, he has already returned to injury. Okay, another thing I want to talk about is what about Nicolas Jackson going for AFCON. Another thing is the situation of Nicolas Jackson going for the AFCON. Though we miss him, and also we not miss him because Christopher Nkunku has already made the team. He's back from injury, and if you watch the game against Newcastle in the Carabao Cup, he make his debut from the bench, and Chelsea are already in talk with Napoli over Osimhen, and Recently, he has agreed a new deal with Napoli with a new 2-year contract. So, and also Arsenal has joined Chelsea in the race to sign him for over 102 million euro. So let's wait and see if Chelsea could pay the money, because they are badly in need of a striker, especially to replace this Nicolas Jackson, who miss chances here and there. So, and with Mkuku, they can pair the two of them together, and that will make sense because Mkuku is also a goal poacher, and likewise Victor Osimhen. So they are used to converting chance. If they see maybe 10 chances, they may create and utilize that chance into goals. So another thing is Conor Gallagher, and we have been hearing reports from different sources that Chelsea want to sell Conor Gallagher to Tottenham Hotspur, and that would be the biggest mistake they've made this season, because Conor Gallagher has been one of the best midfielders in the Premier League this season, especially for Chelsea. One thing he's used to is playing roughly. What I mean is that he is so fast on the ball, not like other players. That's why Mauricio Pochettino mentioned it in one post match that Chelsea are too soft. What he means is that they don't do fast when they get ball. They are just used to pass from one person to another. But when a football team is fast, like how Conor Gallagher used to usually do, he gain ball and do movement. When he move, that move not just a normal move. He put the ball on a run. That one also always ginger team. That's one of the best things I like and love most about Conor Gallagher. And Chelsea selling him would be the biggest mistake they made this season, because after him, I don't think there is no other person in that midfield that can create chances and also that can utilize and make the opponents doing some little or silly mistakes. So they should just give him 1 or 2-3 year contract. They can just extend his contract, give him the money he's demanding for. All what he's doing, I think it deserves all the money the contract extension is demanding for. But all these Nicolas Jackson, Christopher Nkunku, and Badiashile, they are not doing half of what he is doing in that team, and they are earning higher money than him. So I believe Chelsea should just give him another contract and extend it and give him any amount he's demanding for. I think he deserves what he's asking for. So my formation or prediction for the game against Wolverhampton Wanderers tomorrow, I think Chelsea are going to beat Wolves. I think 3-2, because the way this team are improving, if not for injuries, they are improving daily. With the inclusion of this Christopher Nkunku now, this will ginger the team in pushing the game. If you watch their recent games, they don't used to give the striker, that Nicolas Jackson, they don't used to pass the ball to him, because they know him that if they pass the ball to him, he will still lose it. He will lose the chances in the game. So now that Christopher Nkunku has made the team, they will now be all brought to him. That's what they will be doing now. They will all be quiet, passing and doing a crossing to him, because they know he's a good player. He can convert different chances, so many chances, and score. So I think Chelsea, no, it will not be an easy game, but I believe going to win. They are going to win the game. So, well, to share this video, comment and like. My name is Yetunde Abdulkoyim. Drop your own score prediction of Chelsea.